Hey guys, this is Brad from Blue Nile Farm. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about an Industrias America Offset disc. We did a video already on how to assemble one, but these discs need some adjustment, and a lot of people, I don't believe, even think about adjusting them or realize that they need to be adjusted. So I'm going to take you through the process of adjusting right now this top spring and how it has a factor on balance of your gangs as well as your hitch. So stay tuned. So there's two key critical settings that are coming with this unit that needs to be addressed. And the first one is basically to adjust your gangs height so they're riding together, as well as the tongue of the machine. And one bolt controls both of these. And that bolt is at the end of the spring over here that goes to an axle that controls your wheel height. And by adjusting that bolt will reduce the height of your tongue, as well as bring your gangs in the back end closer to your front end so they're in adjustment. And I think this is a one-time shot mostly for adjustments, but I think it's between the middle setting and the fourth setting are basically your two best spots. And what I did already is I adjusted mine and I moved it actually backwards to the fourth setting. So what it actually did is it dropped the back end of the gang down, and it also reduced the height of the tongue, and I think it works best for me. So I'm going to show you the process of what you need to do it. It takes two people to do it. It's probably one of the most critical things you can do when you buy this offset disc, and I'm positive most people that actually purchase one buy it at the factory setting of the middle, and you're not optimizing your disc by dropping this down. So I want you to be familiar with what this does. And if you're not happy with it, then I would suggest that you can always go back up to the factory setting or readjust it to where it works. But you're very minimized to what you can or cannot adjust. So what I'm trying to tell you is you need to make an adjustment, and you'll get the most bang out of this unit because they need to ride together, both gangs, be as close as they can together coming across. So the problem is, if you don't do that, what's going to happen is your front gang is going to be diving into the ground, and you're going to cut deeper, and your back end is not even going to really make as much contact as you would like in the back when you're going across the field. By doing this adjustment, your gangs will actually come down and ride better together across the field, and you're going to get more bang for your dollar using this piece of equipment. So let me show you how to do this. So while the tractor's running, what I want you to see is that you'll see both these discs raise and lower. You want to be on a level surface the best you can. And we're looking for timing of both to come up and down. So I'm going to go over there and I'm going to adjust this, and you can see for yourself the difference. So this is travel as we want to travel. This is raised up. As we go down and I lower this, we're going to look and see which part of the disc hits first. So right now the front disc hit and I saw the back go down. So right now the fronts are hitting and the backs are not hitting. So that's telling us that we need to adjust this. So what we're going to do is we're going to drop this down and get the tension off the bar. So the first thing we have to do is get this bolt out right here. And this is a 1 1/8. There's a socket that we have on it. I took the nut off already. So what I have to do is, because there is tension in this spring, we're going to have to lift and adjust the tongue, which will relieve the pressure on the spring. So this is where the leaf spring adjustment occurs. Having an assistant, one person would actually be lifting the tongue of the disc, which will relieve the pressure at this location. The person that's back here needs to pull the bolt, and then when it comes from the factory, it's normally set in the middle. If you go down a peg like where it is now, you're actually going to drop the tongue and the back gang, and then if you go up a peg, basically you're going to lift the tongue higher, and the back gang is going to be a little slower to in conjunction to the front disc. Alright, so we dropped the hitch height right now, went down to the second from last hole. It used to be in the third or in the middle hole. Now it's the second to the last. And what happened already is I want to show you what the tongue looks like, because now we dropped the tongue. And now it's probably more conducive to fit on some of these other machines. So, but we're going to test this out before we actually, go with it. So once we put that bolt through, the tongue actually dropped probably a good 6 to 8 inches down. And see, right where it's at now is probably perfect height for most of my tractors. So this is where I would say now would be a good time that you would install a jack, you know, whether you weld one on or you get a clamp on one, where you can raise and lower this so you can hook up to your equipment better. Because then, you know, that's obviously makes life a lot easier than try to just drive in and make it fit. And this is too heavy for you to physically pick up. So definitely a better way to go. But we're going to put a nut on this and we're going to see how this thing raises and lowers and see if this is exactly what we're looking for. But so far it made a big difference here at the hitch. So just to show you these two discs, how much better they go down, let me show you real quick by putting it down at a good speed. So from my standpoint, I think it's better this way. Definitely lower on the tongue. And again, until we try it out in the field. I just want to show you, until you play around with this adjustment, you got to find out what works best for you. I just want to show you. That's your tongue adjustment. This is your adjustment for your front and your back gangs. And that's the only way you fix this, and they work together. So, but that's an easy fix. You can easily do this. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Hopefully that was a quick, easy pointer of how to adjust this and get your tongue height and your disc height, the gangs, to work together. And you know, you're gonna have to, like I say, work it to works best for you. I think that this will be a trial and error, but it's really not that difficult, and it'll be easy for you guys to do. And again, I highly suggest you guys put a jack on this thing so you can lift and lower that tongue to the proper tractor that you're going to utilize. Other than that, this is an easy fix. Stay tuned for one of my other videos. We're going to talk about how to adjust the scrapers, because these things come and the scrapers aren't even close to being correct. So I'm going to show you how to adjust them too for the Industrias America disc. And it probably apply to both just a finishing disc as well as an offset disc. But, you know, something that I think a lot of people ignore. So thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully this was helpful, and I'll talk to you guys soon.